play this, daddy. Listen, mind your business. You just like one of these little bitches. Mind your business. Being nosy, yo, you sickening. Mind your business. Oh, police ass nigga trying to see how I'm living.
Motherfucking police wanna lock me up and throw away the key, tryna do me dirty. What's a hasa? A pig that can fly straight to serotonin.
Bullshit, nigga. Jay, what you mean?
Little piggies hit me with that swat. Never said I was brandishing firearm, ain't farming in my spot. But hit me with projectiles, broke all the windows, left them dead. Use a drone, shine a light to my homies. Leader said, come out with your hands up. I said, for what? You ain't got no sense for I ain't going nowhere. Suck, no suck. 10 hours stand up, waiting for the judge to sign up on the search warrant. Surrounding my baby in home block. They closed down, no news, cameras around. They had canines in my door, rubber bullets, took an axe and shot my door down in half. Came out my hottest spot, moved out just at the front of the door, they were blocking that. They pushed their way through with 2K knives and turn, chasing sky, out the train so nice. No bark, no bite, no cigar. Since the prison was like, yeah, I was like, police was mad, that doggies wasn't biting. See me in this 10 deep, they had their weapons, told me to raise my hands. No surrender, no retreat. I leave the fight another day. Went to St. Louis to jail 4 days later on charge of job. I got released that day. Wanted to come back to my hustle.